Hey everyone, welcome to TeamCodingPlaza. Today we are going to discussing about SQL data management series. We are going to start here. The first video I am going to do. Today we are going to discussing about Oracle recycle bin. See, everywhere recycle bin will be there. We know that, right? In Windows or Mac, anywhere, if you are deleting some file, you should go to recycle bin only, right? Like that only. Data level, we are having a recycle bin. Okay, how to handle that recycle bin, how to recover the data, that management videos and all series wise I will release. So first we'll check that how to use the recycle bin. There is a table called recycle bin. Select star from recycle bin. Yeah, this is what the table. So in this table, whatever the tables you are getting dropped, right, the tables will come and sit it down. Okay, so what are the mistakes you will think and what are the interview questions and all I will explain you on this. See this, here I am having one table that IRCTC users, right? So I am going to create the table. See, table has been created, right? The table. So then after I am having some data to load the table. So I am going to insert the data. See, data has been inserted. Then after, what I am going to miss, normally a fresher or any experienced people will think that if you are dropping the table, okay, drop table. So table has been gone, right? Table as it is has been dropped. So if I am doing query with this table, select star from table. Table does not exist, but the table will be available in our database, right? So I will open the new window. Okay, I will execute this. See, the original name of the table, there is an object name it has given. The original name of the table is IRCTC users. The operation is drop. Like this only, anything index type, anything if you are dropping using drop command, it will come and sit here. Okay. See. So can undrop, can purge. Okay. So like this, so many input parameters will be there. This and all I will show you. For first off, I will show you the recycle bin. Yes. So how to recover this data in next video I will tell you. Okay, so once you are given here, this data will not be erased from your database. You want to erase this data, you have to do some other operation that I will explain you in later videos. This is what about the recycle bin. Yeah, thanks for watching that video. We'll catch you in next video.